Come take a look at this 2012 GMC Sierra 1500. Carfax has certified this Sierra 1500 as having one owner. This Sierra 1500 has just under 14,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, mocha steel metallic, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, convenience package, PowerTech package, tires, P265/70R17 on off-road, Blackwall, LPO, protection package and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.